Most people barely make any money on KashKick because they play the wrong games. Here's the truth no one tells you. The highest paying KashKick games are not always the games with the biggest advertised rewards. In fact, some of the best paying offers are the ones you can finish quickly without spending money. In this video, I'm going to show you the best types of KashKick games for maximum points and cash rewards in 2026, which games are usually worth avoiding, and how smart users maximize payouts without wasting dozens of hours. And stay until the end, because I'll show you the single biggest mistake that destroys profits for almost everyone using gaming reward apps. So first, let's explain how KashKick game offers actually work. Game companies pay KashKick to bring them new players. KashKick then rewards you for reaching milestones inside those games. For example, you might see an offer like this. Reach level 15 for $10. Reach level 25 for another $25. Reach level 35 for an additional $50. Sounds amazing at first. But here's the problem. The early levels are usually easy. The later levels can become extremely slow, unless you understand the game strategy. This is where most people fail. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best KashKick games are usually not based on how fun they are. They're based on payout efficiency. That means you should ask one question before starting any game. How much money can I realistically earn compared to the time required? That one question changes everything. Let's start with strategy and city building games because these dominate KashKick offers. Games similar to State of Survival, Rise of Kingdoms, or Mafia-style builders often appear with huge payouts. Some offers advertise $80, $120, or even more. And yes, technically those payouts are possible. But here's the truth no one tells you. Many of those giant payouts are attached to extremely difficult late-game milestones. For example, Jake sees a $120 city builder offer and gets excited. But reaching headquarters level 30 may realistically take weeks unless he spends money inside the game. That's why smart users target the early and middle milestones instead of chasing the final impossible tier. This is one of the easiest ways to improve your hourly earnings instantly. Now, let's talk about puzzle games. Puzzle games are often underrated on KashKick. Games involving matching, sorting, or basic strategy can sometimes have lower payouts overall, but they're usually much faster and easier to complete. For example, Alex completes a puzzle game offer paying $15 in just a few days with almost no stress. Meanwhile, another user spends 2 weeks grinding a city builder for slightly more money. Efficiency matters more than advertised payout size. Now here's where it gets really interesting. Casino-style mobile games can sometimes offer surprisingly high rewards. But this category is dangerous. These games often rely heavily on luck. One player flies through levels quickly. Another gets stuck for days. That inconsistency makes them risky for maximizing profits. In a minute, I'll show you the safest category for beginners who want predictable progress. First, let's talk about timing. Some KashKick games are only worth playing during promotional periods. For example, during holidays or advertiser campaigns, payouts can increase dramatically. A game normally paying $20 might suddenly pay $45. Smart users monitor offers regularly instead of immediately jumping into low-paying versions. That patience can double your earnings over time. Now let's discuss the best beginner-friendly category. Idle and merge games. These are often the easiest for casual users because progression continues even when you're not actively playing non-stop that day. For example, John installs a merge-style game and checks it a few times throughout the day. He progresses steadily without spending hours glued to his phone. That balance makes these games surprisingly efficient for many users. But here's the problem. Some idle games become extremely slow near the end. This is why experienced users research milestone difficulty before committing fully. Now let's cover the biggest secret for maximizing KashKick game earnings. Never chase every milestone. This is where most people lose time and money. For example, imagine an offer pays $5 at level 10, $15 at level 20, $50 at level 35. Levels 1 through 20 may only take 3 days. But levels 20 through 35 might take 2 more weeks. At that point, your hourly earnings collapse. Smart users often stop after the efficient milestones and move to another game offer instead. That strategy dramatically increases overall earnings. Now let's talk about spending money inside games. This is one of the most controversial parts of reward gaming. Sometimes a small purchase can actually improve profits. For example, a $3 starter pack might save days of grinding and unlock a $40 reward faster. But here's the danger. Many users keep spending more and more chasing impossible milestones. That completely defeats the purpose. The smartest rule is simple. Never spend money unless the math clearly improves your final profit. And even then, keep purchases minimal. Now let's discuss tracking, because this is critical. A lot of users complete game offers correctly, but still don't get rewarded because tracking fails. This is where most people fail without realizing it. You must install the game directly through KashKick. Use the same device. Avoid switching browsers. And take screenshots throughout the process. For example, Alex reaches the required milestone, but the tracking system glitches. Because he saved screenshots, support can verify his completion. Without proof, recovering missing rewards becomes much harder. Now here's something many beginners overlook completely. Your gaming style matters. If you naturally enjoy strategy games, those offers may feel easier and more profitable to you personally. If you hate grinding and timers, city builders may become miserable quickly. That's why the best game is not always the highest paying game. It's the one you can complete efficiently without burning out. Now let's talk realistic expectations. Can you make hundreds of dollars from KashKick games? Yes, some users do. But usually not instantly. Most successful users combine multiple moderate paying offers over time, instead of relying on one giant jackpot game. For example, Jake completes one puzzle game for $15, one merge game for $20, one strategy game for $35. Instead of obsessing over a single impossible $150 offer, he steadily builds earnings across manageable tasks. That strategy works much better long term. And, one more thing. Always read the deadline carefully. Many game offers require milestones within a specific time frame like 7 days, 14 days, or 30 days. If you miss the deadline by even 1 day, you may lose the reward completely. That's why starting too many games at once can backfire badly. Now let's quickly cover the categories most users should usually avoid. Games requiring heavy multiplayer competition. Games with extremely aggressive, pay-to-win systems. And games where progression depends heavily on random luck. These tend to destroy efficiency and profitability. The best offers usually reward steady progress you can control predictably. So after testing reward game systems for years, here's my honest opinion. The best KashKick games for maximum points are usually efficient mid-range offers with achievable milestones, not giant flashy payouts that take forever. Puzzle games, merge games, selected strategy games, and moderate milestone offers often provide the best balance between time and reward. And the smartest users focus on efficiency, not hype. That's the real secret. So here's the bottom line. Choose games with realistic milestones. Avoid impossible late-game grinds. Track every step carefully. Don't overspend inside games. And focus on consistent profitable offers instead of giant flashy promises. That strategy gives you the best chance to maximize KashKick earnings in 2026. If this video helped you avoid wasting time on bad game offers, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with the best KashKick game you've played so far. And if you want more honest side hustle app guides, check out the next video right now.